You just love a great design kit. The Softflex Company design kits are just fantastic. They have everything in a kit to make several projects. Hello everybody, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we will be designing with the newest Softflex design kit called Exotic Blooms, and we will be making a necklace. I'm adding in these little check glass beads here and some beads that I claimed from one of the Softflex live sales. Let's start creating. You will need Softflex wire in medium, and I am using the one in the kit in quartz, the little rondel silver spacer beads, and these little cube beads, and these are part of the Jesse James beads mix that is exclusive for the kit, and you can also buy it separately on their website. These adorable little tiara cast spacer beads, and then the check glass. To start, go ahead and cut 20 inches of your Softflex wire. I'm always posting new tutorials weekly, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these little ceramic beads, and they're from Peru. What's really good about these is they're large hole, so you can add multiple strands of Softflex through the wires. So I'm going to string that on. I have one of the little green beads. We're going to slide on one of the little spacers. And then another green bead, and we're just going to alternate with the rest of the spacers. Add that little bit of sparkle, as well as give it the perfect spacing. And slide those on. Then one more of my little ceramic green beads. So we'll have the start of the necklace. I think these would be really cute as well as if you had like a little crystal. You could glue it on there if you wanted to, or maybe even use some of like the vintage paints and give it some more color. So just going to even our necklace out. And then we're going to add some of these check glass in. We're just going to slide those on. Rondel for sparkle. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now we're just doing basic bead stringing. But it's really going to be an artisan necklace because you have the handmade ceramic beads in there. Then we're just going to add one of the little cube beads, one on each side. And the cube beads do have a large hole as well. So if you wanted to, you could pass a couple strings of Softflex wire. And with the ceramic beads, sometimes they are heavy. These ones are extremely light, so you don't have to worry about this necklace being too heavy. So we're just going to keep stringing on our beads until we have our desired length of our necklace. So we have the ends of our necklace. We're just going to use two 2x2s, jump rings, and our lobster claw that came in the kit. The reason why I always put jump rings on the end of my necklace is if I ever wanted to change out the clasp, I can just go ahead and open up my jump rings, and then that way I can remove my clasp, switch it out, or use like a cord on it or whatever I would like. So we're going to slide on one of our little 2x2s and attach it to a jump ring. And sometimes when you do this, the jump ring will go over your 2x2, so you just have to make sure it's on the right side. Then we're just going to double back. We want to leave a little bit of that Softflex wire showing. And we're just go in and give it a little smash and rotate. And this is just going to round it and give it a more professional finish. And then depending on the next size of your bead, sometimes that little tail that you have may tuck right into the bead. If not, you can just go ahead and trim it. That's completely your preference. So now we're just going to slide our beads all the way down. So we have a longer tail here of Softflex wire that we can save for another project. Just move that off to the side. And then we're going to do the same thing. Slide on our 2x2 and our jump ring. And then we're just going to pass back through our 2x2. Then we're just going to go ahead and give it a smash. We're going to rotate, and then we'll go ahead and give it a little trim. And now we're just going to attach our little lobster claw to the back of our necklace. And it doesn't matter which side you put it on. We're just going to grab our jump ring. We're just going to give it a slight twist, attach on our lobster claw, and close. And just like that, we have a beautiful necklace using the Exotic Bloom Softlex Design Kit. So pretty. Ready for summer, definitely ready for spring. You have the blooming flowers and then the hand-painted ceramic beads from Peru. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content and tutorials. Have a wonderful day.